If you think you are bad at Italian because of your brain, your memory, or some condition you have never been diagnosed with, this video might make you uncomfortable. Good. That's usually where progress starts. I hear this all the time.
I think I'm dyslexic. I probably have ADHD. I've always had a bad memory. My brain just isn't made for languages.
Before anyone misunderstands me, let me be clear. Those real learning difficulties exist. I've worked with students who have real diagnoses and real challenges. This video isn't about them. This video is about something else. People who suspect a problem but never got checked, never talked to a professional, never confirm anything. Over time, that doubt turns into a story.
I would like to learn Italian, but my brain...
And once you believe that story, effort slowly disappears. Because if the brain is the problem, then it's not your responsibility anymore. Most people don't struggle with Italian because of a condition. They struggle because they are inconsistent. They study for a few days, then they stop. They avoid speaking because it feels embarrassing. They quit when progress gets slow or boring. So instead of fixing the routine, they label themselves. Because saying
I'm not doing the work
is harder than saying
my brain can't do this.
It's like joining the gym. You go twice, you stop, and then you say, I think I have bad genetics. No, you just didn't train. Italian works the same way. Repetition, exposure, using the language. Not exciting, but effective. Some of the greatest minds in history struggled with learning. Albert Einstein struggled at school and with language early on. Leonardo da Vinci likely had dyslexia and poor spelling. Thomas Edison had learning difficulties and little formal schooling. Different problems, same pattern. They didn't quit. They adapt. They worked. A difficulty didn't stop them. Using it as an excuse would have. Every time you say,
my brain can't do this,
you teach your brain to give up. Italian doesn't respond to stories. It responds to contact. Daily exposure, simple sentences, speaking before you feel ready. Repeating things that feel too easy. That's how fluency grows. So here is a better rule. Until a qualified professional tells you otherwise, assume this. I don't have a broken brain. I have a weak system, and systems can be fixed. Stop asking,
what's wrong with me?
Start asking,
what am I avoiding?
Speaking, being consistent, sounding stupid for a while, fix that, and Italian starts moving again. This isn't about blaming yourself, it's about taking your power back. Because once fake limits are gone, progress becomes possible. Harder, yes. Honest, yes. Worth it, always. Now, I've said a lot, but if you really want to learn Italian fast, if learning Italian is a struggle, watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you, promise.